Let's have a go at this now. I have got £45, I think, the stuff today. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and along the way I will change this 10. So let's go for it. 2, that's spending. 5 for spending. Let's just take the 10 for now and put back 5. There we go, so that's done. And let's hit the road again. 1, that's well-being. Okay. 6, that's hobbies. Wow. I really would like some more in hair. That's 1, well-being. But I can easily take out from one of the envelopes, because I've got everything I need in from the well-being category, so I don't really need that right now. And if I need to do my hair or anything, I'll just take out what I need out of that envelope. It's going to get spent overall anyway. So 4 we have got going out. And I don't really need anything out. I haven't been... Where have I been? Gosh, I can't remember. Haven't really been out as such. Just for walks. Just for walks. That's 5. So that's labour. And I am saving in labour for some bits and pieces to get done around the house. I did get some stuff done last year, which I was really happy with. 6, that is hobbies. And I do need to take some money out of hobbies and maybe spending. I have bought some stuff, some arts and crafts that I need to replace the money. 3, hair. Great, great, great. Wouldn't mind another one of those. Is that me? It's me. That's brilliant. Oh, I was heard. Now let's see. Going out got... Did spending get? I think spending might have been the first one that got. So I think everyone got. Yeah, everyone got. Okay, let's see what we've got in well-being so far. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And in spending, 10, 25, 35. That's 35 in spending. And in hair, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Because it got 10 today. That was really good. And then going out has got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, going out. Actually, I should start really putting money in here. Yeah, focusing on here as well, because I want to do a few trips around the UK when the weather gets a bit better, starting from spring. So I think that would be a good idea if I kept that one going. Right, so labour we have 5, 10, 15. and I've got to make a list of the things that needs doing and then get prices, see if I need any parts or anything. And then hobbies, we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 in hobbies. All right, I am so happy with that so far. And it's not much that I get to put in, but it really does amount to something. It really does. It allows me to get things that I need for myself, for the house, and just got to be patient and work with what you have. That's the best way for me to describe how savings challenges or your little savings can work, especially if you're on a low income. You've got to be patient, persevere, consistency, and faith, definitely. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.